In this video, we are going to look at 3 stocks based on option flow. Then we are going to look at the fundamental technical algorithmic and artificial intelligence. Based on the information we are going to analyze the stocks. We will be using the Traditics website to identify the 3 stocks. Please use the link below to subscribe to the website. General disclaimer, any opinions provided is general market information for educational and entertainment purposes only and do not constitute as investment advice.
In this video, we're going to look at 3 stocks based on the options flow. Okay, so today we're going to look at CAT, TDOC, Teledoc, and EEM. Okay, so EEM is an index, I think. So we are going to look at. So what I did was I just want to make sure delta premium. So I just picked up TDOC, Caterpillar had heavy volume, and then also EM. Okay, so first stock will be Caterpillar. So we are at Caterpillar. So we look at support resistance. So it basically bounced across the support level, but there's a high here, so I'm not sure how it's going to react. Plus it's in the VWAP, right? So it has to cut across VWAP, so it looks bullish to me. So next looks like AI. AI is basically positive. Okay. Industrial sector is bullish also. So let's look at options flow. Option flow is bullish, algo is bearish. So algo is here and the stock is here. Okay, so let's look at the 30-minute time frame. Still bearish. Okay, so you can see a lot of open interest is on the right hand side here. Heavy volume of calls, but only there are long term calls. 1022 is for tomorrow. There's a lot of calls, but you look at 69 million calls on January 22. That's a heavy call volume. Okay, next stock will be TDOC. TDOC, not much fundamentally there's not much income, positive income, so PE ratio is negative. Support resistance level, you can see it's in a support level here and it's coming up, so it's there's a trend line here, so maybe it again go down. Let's go look at projections. So it's projecting downwards. Okay. So now let's look at AI. AI is positive. Look at option flow. Option flow is overall is bullish, 96%. Algo is bullish also. Volume is heavy, and then also we can look at a lot of open interest on the right side, plus there is also put volume also. So you can see there's a lot of call volume. The stock is at 140, so there's a lot of call volume on 135, so put volume is very low. Okay, so next stock will be EEM. Okay, this is the index. Okay, so here if you see here support resistance line, so same thing here, so it's basically trending here. As you see here, hit here, came down, hit here, came down, hit almost hit here, came down, hit here, came down. So it's probably going to go down. Trend lines, projections. And plus it's going to hit a resistance line here. Okay, let's look at AI. AI is positive. You can see algo is bullish. Overflow is also bullish. 8 million calls, 2 million puts. You see open interest on the left and right, both sides. So there's a lot of puts volume also, there's a lot of call volume also. Okay, so the stock price is at 52. So there's a lot of bullish on the 50, 52, 53, 54. So it's going to maybe sideways for a little bit. If you want to do a diagonal, it's a good stock to do diagonal. So we are looking at the chart from on the 1 hour chart and then weekly pivot points, right? CPR and pivot points. So you can see that CPR is rising up. So it's an uptrending stock in the short term, on a weekly basis. So you can see that the uptrending started from here. Okay. So and then the CPR is rising. So this is going to be bullish. It could hit resistance at this line and then also this line, but it's trending up for now. The next stock is T-Doc. So here is T-Doc. Same rising pattern, right? So this CPR is above the CPR, next CPR is also above. So it's a bullish setup. So this is a weekly CPR and this is a 1 hour time frame candles. Okay, so now next one is EEM. So here similar setup, it's also on a bullish trend. If you look at the next week CPR, it's indicating that it's narrow CPR. That means it's going to be a trending day. But it just turned negative from here. So you have to be a little careful. Okay, so you have to wait and see what kind of candles appearing. So it could hit the CPR and then go back again. But CPR is one above the other, so it's a bullish trend. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.